Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the magnifier filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here, slide right until you see editing. Okay, go there. Here, slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, wait for it. This is the effect. And suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for magnifier. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this effect. Wait for it. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me close this, go back. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with TikTok. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this magnifier filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.